For use in removing rear clearance arms. Special 10-point socket. Services Honda Civic, CR-V and Acura RSX. Use with a 1/2-inch square drive. Heavy-duty construction allows for strength and durability. CTA Manufacturing Corp. Started in 1978 with a few specialty tools and a lot of great ideas. After spending over 25 years setting up worldwide distribution for the biggest names in the business, the founders of CTA decided to take some of their own ideas to market. Originally named Classic American Tools, the company expanded from manufacturing about 20 specialty tools to well over 1,000 tools under the CTA name today. Factories are located worldwide, manufacturing specialty tools to meet the demands of today's technicians. From timing toolkits to extra thin-wall deep sockets, CTA offers the widest range of professional automotive specialty tools in the market. Whether tuning up your BMW E46 M3 or removing one-off wheels on a Lamborghini Huracan, CTA supplies you with the right tools needed for the job. Welcome to CTA, we look forward to serving your specialty tool needs. Top reviews from the United States. Great, perfect. Exactly what I needed. Needed this for my '01 Civic LX, upgrading my lower rear control arms. The 3 bolts near the knuckle of the hub, needed this to take them off, in picture. Worked perfect with impact gun.